Hello everyone, this is a daily or pre-NY update on for Money Squared YouTube channel on Gold and GJ. I suggest you to watch with 1.5x speed for better viewing experience. This is gonna be, let's go ahead from a monthly time frame. Monthly we just opened today and we shoot up. We broke the previous monthly high, but we don't have a monthly wick, so we should be cautious for buys. Weekly is the same. We broke above. Previous week was very strong, closed above. This week we already moved around 250 pips to the upside, and we tested this small resistance area here on a daily time frame. Let's go ahead and remove the drawings. I suggest you always do the same. On a daily time frame, as you can see, we're approaching this resistance. We tested this resistance here and then this fake out here, and we have a strong resistance at this level. We can see right over here, and now we just retested that resistance. We already broke above our resistance, which was right over here. Now we're in between this range, we're rejecting, and to the downside we have multiple resistance and multiple supports, which if we break we can always go ahead and retest them. As you can see, we have multiple supports. On the 4-hour time frame we can adjust this to this level. At this we can disconnect now as support. This was resistance previously, this was resistance, this was support, resistance, support. So yeah, we can easily come up to this level, retest this level. As we're rejecting this high, we can come up. If we form some support, we can retest this high here, and then we can enter on the break of the high of the support candle, which is this trading plan. Give me a second here. This one, where price makes a high, comes back, forms support usually on previous support, and then as soon as we form support here, we enter to retest this high here. And yeah, that's about it for buys today on gold. On the 4-hour time frame, we can go ahead on lower time frame and we can check if we have some potential sells to retest on the way down, but I don't think we have something today, to be honest. This can be possibly our candle. If we don't break this highs, we can flip, we can easily continue to the downside. How much is this? 30 pip. For 30 pip, I'm not sure, because we already rejected this, so we need to make sure that we don't break these highs here. Let's go ahead on 30 minute. Yeah, on 30 minute we found some sort of support here. This was our candle on 30 minute. We just shoot down after making this low, came back, form resistance, break the low of resistance, and then move down. So yeah, as of now for gold, we need to break below this maybe to continue. Yeah, for sells I'm gonna put alert here. For buys is very tricky because higher time frames are bearish. I'm not gonna enter when this 3-hour candle, 2-hour candle, no, 2-hour is bullish actually, but how it just opened 30 minute open, previous 2-hour bullish, 4-hour is in a bullish, so I'm not, previous 4-hour had huge rejection up. I'm not gonna enter buys as long as we don't have at least a 1-hour closure bullish. So for bulls, for buys, I'm not expecting anything at the moment. I would expect if we come up, form some sort of support here, and then we break the high of the support candle and we continue to the upside. Where for sells, We can potentially see some sells here, as this is possibly our candle formation. If we don't break these highs and we come up break the lows, we can have a sell stop here with take profit 1 here, take profit 2 here, and stop loss above here. So that's something that I would expect on gold for today. Let me go ahead and find possibly. I don't have any trading plan that supports ideally this, but we can have this, something like this. If we flip, yeah, this is not. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this one here. If we have this, I'm not sure if we break the highs, but if we break these highs here, let's go ahead and 15 minutes check. Yeah, on 15 minutes we broke the highs, so sells are not valid anymore. We came up, we retested this level. This is possibly shooting star formation. 45-minute bullish. Yeah, buys can work but are risky, so I'm not gonna enter buys, especially now before London or New York open. London had some very good buys here, right over here. Make a high, form support, break this candle, and this was just straight up on the 30-minute candle. Buys above here, came back, form fake out here, was perfect buys. And yeah, that's about it for gold today. Let's go ahead and check GJ move already a lot on the monthly time frame, like 300 pips. Weekly just continued down. We expected this because this is our candle formation, and usually we don't break the highs and then we just continue to the downside. I expect this candle here to mirror this candle here, but we will see. We need to make a wick on a weekly. Daily has some broken previous daily highs, but also came a tap to this level here. 4 hour is, we have this level here, which is now this level here, and now we have also this level here, and then we have this level here. We have these two levels, and yeah. Let's go ahead on the 30-minute, 3 hour, 2 hour. We're rejecting this. We already formed some sort of support on 1 hour. On 1 hour we form support here, and then if we break this highs, this could have been a perfect buy here. Buy at this level, stop loss here, take profit here, because we had clean candle, but now we have some resistance here, and then we have some sort of this range here, so we're coming back to this range. If we break above this, I expect price to move up. But if we form resistance here to this level, resistance, or here somewhere, and then we break this level, I will enter sells to retest this low. This is the trading plan, because we already made the low. So when price makes the low, comes back, forms resistance. Let me make it smaller, maybe it's easier. Price makes a low, price makes a low, price broke support, price broke support, makes a low, came back, formed resistance. Now we're gonna wait for this price formed resistance. Where are we gonna print this 30-minute / 1 hour candle? Bearish, and when we form that level, as soon as we break the low of that candle, we can enter sales, whether it's here, whether it's here. I believe I will enter only below this level, because here we can form some sort of resistance, came back, retest the support, and then shoot up. So I don't want to enter sales inside this range, but I want to enter on this clean traffic to the left hand side. So yes, That's about it for GJ also. I will let me just put this trading plan again here. I will monitor this and then we will see what will happen. Thank you for watching. Just to recap, for GJ I expect this low here to be retested, or if we break above this level here, I expect this trading plan to happen, something like this, where price breaks above resistance and then shoots up. Now breaks above this resistance and then shoots up, because this is the resistance here, and then shoots up to retest this level, possibly something like this. We have how big is this range? We have 90 pip range, which is amazing. How big is this? 90 pip range. These are amazing ranges that that market decided to give us today. So we're gonna put these two alerts and see where price is going. For gold, for gold we missed. I forgot to put on this one. Anyway, for gold we formed some sort of support here. We have this now resistance, now can turn easily into support also here. We broke this high of the support candle, so we closed 30-minute bullish, so we should be good to go up at least to this level here, but I'm not interested in these buys. Maybe I will enter buys only above here. I will not look for buys here, or if we have some sort of resistance here, I'm gonna look for sells from here, because we already made a low in this now trend, because this was the new high made, this was the base. We broke that one, made a new lower low, lower high, lower low. Now we can come and retest this lower high, or make a new lower high somewhere over here, and then we can retest, because this was a previous support, now can turn into resistance very easily, and then we can retest this low made. So that's about it for gold and GJ. So let me just make this level, or just buys above here. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, support the channel, and comment on what changes I can possibly do to help you on this journey. Thank you very much. Bye bye. This was the daily update for before New York Open.